To connect your OnePlus 15 with your car, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to find cross-device connectivity right here. Click on it, and then you'll be able to find Android Auto. Now, if you click on it for the first time, you may be transferred to the Google Play Store, where you will need to update the Android Auto app. In this case, I've already done it and my app is up to date. So now when we have this opened, we need to click on Connect Vehicle, and after that we'll have two options to connect with our car. First one is through the cable. So if you have a cable that allows you to connect your phone and your car, you can try and go with that. If you don't have the cable, you can go for the connect using wireless Android Auto, wireless version of connection. So let's go with that. And after that, you will need to enter pairing mode. That depends on your vehicle. You can check online for your specific car model and then see how to enter pairing mode on your car. After a moment, when you're in pairing mode, click on connect using Bluetooth and then pair a vehicle. Here on Bluetooth list, when Bluetooth is activated, you'll be able to find your car, click on it, and it will connect. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.